Hello, and welcome to Wiki. In today's video, we'll break down what cryptocurrency is and show you how to invest in this digital asset class. If you've been hearing a lot about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. We'll cover the basics, different types of cryptocurrencies, and guide you through the investment process. So, let's get started by understanding what exactly cryptocurrency is. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies such as dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on technology known as blockchain. This means there's no central authority, like a bank, controlling the transactions. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with different purposes and technologies behind them. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, BTC, the original cryptocurrency and still the most widely known. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contracts and decentralized applications. Ripple, XRP, aimed at enabling fast cross-border transactions. Litecoin, LTC, often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold. Cryptocurrencies offer a new way of conducting transactions, providing more security, speed, and transparency, all while removing the need for intermediaries like banks. Why invest in cryptocurrency? Now that you know what cryptocurrency is, let's talk about why people invest in it. There are several key reasons. High potential for growth. Some cryptocurrencies have shown exponential growth over the past decade, making them a lucrative investment for early adopters. Decentralization. Cryptos operate on a decentralized network, meaning they're not controlled by any government or central authority, which can appeal to people who distrust traditional financial systems. Portfolio diversification. Including cryptocurrencies in your investment portfolio can diversify your assets, reducing risk and potentially increasing overall returns. Future of finance. Many believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of money. As blockchain technology develops, the use cases for cryptos could expand, leading to further adoption. However, it's important to remember that cryptocurrency investing is highly volatile. Prices can rise or fall dramatically in a short period. Therefore, only invest money you're willing to lose and always do your own research. How to invest in cryptocurrency, a step-by-step guide, for 15 to 8 o'clock. Now, let's get into the practical part, how to invest in cryptocurrency. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Choose a reliable exchange. The first thing you'll need is an exchange, a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Some of the most popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, Gemini. Make sure to choose an exchange that supports the cryptocurrencies you want to invest in. Additionally, consider factors like fees, user interface, security features, and customer support. Set up a crypto wallet. Once you purchase cryptocurrency, you'll need a place to store it, known as a crypto wallet. There are two types of wallets: hot wallets. These are online wallets provided by the exchange. They are convenient but more vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets, such as hardware wallets, which offer better security but require more effort to set up. For long-term storage, we recommend using a cold wallet to keep your assets safe. Fund your account. After choosing your exchange and setting up your wallet, you'll need to fund your account with traditional money, fiat. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds through methods like bank transfers, credit cards, or even PayPal. Buy cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, it's time to buy cryptocurrency. You can choose from a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others. Make sure to research each coin's purpose and potential before making a purchase. Diversify your portfolio. Just like in traditional investing, it's essential to diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread your investment across different cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Stay informed. The cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile and prices can change rapidly. Make sure to stay up to date on news, regulatory developments, and any changes in the market. Following reputable crypto news outlets and social media channels can help you stay informed. Secure your investments. Finally, security is paramount when investing in cryptocurrency. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and store your private keys offline in a cold wallet. Avoid sharing sensitive information and be cautious of phishing scams. Risks of cryptocurrency investing. While the potential rewards of investing in cryptocurrency can be high, it's important to be aware of the risks. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. The value of your investments can fluctuate wildly in short periods. Regulatory changes. Governments worldwide are still figuring out how to regulate cryptocurrencies, which could impact their value or legality. Security risks. Crypto exchanges and wallets are targets for hacking. If your account is compromised, you may lose all your assets with no way to recover them. Market manipulation. The cryptocurrency market is relatively small compared to traditional markets, making it susceptible to market manipulation by large players, known as whales. Due to these risks, it's essential to invest wisely and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is an exciting and rapidly evolving field that offers both opportunities and risks. By understanding the basics of what crypto is and following best practices for how to invest, you can make informed decisions and potentially benefit from this new asset class. Remember to always do your research, keep your assets secure, and stay informed about the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Wiki Dollar. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.